Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you how to create a coming soon page for your website, something similar to this. So you have your website ready, your domain name is live and your content is not ready yet, but you want your people to come to, when they visit your domain, they see something going on the website. So you can have a page like this one, but you can put information like maybe just a simple coming soon text, or you can add something like your telephone number, your social media handles, anything that you want to put in. So let's get to it. So first you go to your dashboard. So make sure you have Elementor installed, and then now go here, come here to the Elementor plugin, click go here to the Elementor plugin, click on tools, then come down here and look at the tabs. So this tab, the one called maintenance mode, click on it, and then as you can see here it's saying disabled, so we'll enable it, and you can say disable maintenance or coming soon. So for today I want to show you how to create a coming soon page. So I will select this, but not now. I will tell you when to select it and enable it. So when you select it, it means you've enabled it, but you see we don't have that page ready, so we're going to first to create the page, then we can enable that coming soon page. All right, so let's go down here and say choose template. So this is where once you create the page, you'll find the templates here for the coming soon page, but now we don't have anything, so I'll show you how to create one. So down here there's an option that says create one now, so I'll click on create one, and you can give it any name. So for me, I'm gonna call it a coming soon page on the title here. I'll click coming soon page, publish it. So when you go back here to Elementor, click on tools. Now because you've created this page here, you'll be able to see it when you want to choose. So you go back to the maintenance mode tab, you go down here to choose template, and you can see the page that you've created called coming soon is here. So you select it and save changes. So right now let's see how the page looks like. So we click on edit template, and as you can see there's nothing on the page. So we want to make it look better and nice when someone comes to visit our domain name. So I will just click on edit template here, up here, and then click use Elementor, because that's what I'm using for the page builder. So I'll click edit with Elementor, and then I'll start designing my page from this point. So I'll put whatever I want. So I want just to create something simple, just with the text of coming soon. So I'll just add a section here, and then I want to make this section to cover the whole page. For now, if I just update it and review, it's going to show this, but I want it to look this way, something like this. So let's go back and just edit this. So I'll just come here, go to the layouts, on the height section here you choose fit to screen, and now it's covering the whole screen. I click on update. When you go to check now, it's at least bigger, the screen is a bit bigger. So you go back to editing, and then I want to add some information like coming soon. So I come to here, I click here, I add that heading. You can add anything, a paragraph heading, picture. So for me it's just a simple text, and I just say coming soon. You can say website and construction. You can say anything you want on this page. I'm just using this for example, and I'll style it. I'll just put make it centered and all that, and I click on update. Now we have, if you come back here, you see we have a coming soon page. I mean the information is here, but now I don't want it to have these tabs here, because maybe these tabs are not ready, they don't have information. So only way to remove this, I want it to be as plain as possible. I'll come back to the editor tab, and then I'm down here on the settings. Click down here on the settings. Here on the page layout, click Elementor canvas. So if you choose Elementor canvas, all the navigation tabs will disappear. You only have a page, plain page appearing on the website. So I'll click on update here, down here. And now when you go to view the website, see, we don't even have the tabs up there. There's nothing down here. It's just the coming soon information. So it's up to you to play with this page, add whatever you want. You can add social media icons. Let's say social media. Let me just type search social. Let me just type search for social action, social icons. I drag it here. You see, you can add Facebook. You add your links there, and I click update. When I look at it now, it is now showing coming soon. Now I'm going to activate this page so that when someone comes to my website, they can see this. So we go back to the tools tab where we were choosing the pages and everything. Now we enable now the page so that the website can show coming soon. So we come here and click on the drop down arrow and select the coming soon and save changes. Now before I do this, let me show you how right now it appears when someone visits your website. So let's go to the incognito. Let's go to the incognito tab. So if you type here, let's say that is the domain to my website. You see, you can see the information here. My website is working, it's live. But now I want to work on it, and I don't want people to visit it and find that I'm working on it. So I want to put it on maintenance mode. So I come back to my tools, to the tools tab, to the dashboard, to the tools Elementor, tools, to the maintenance mode tab, and I choose coming soon, and I save the changes. So right now, when we go back, when we refresh this page, it's showing coming soon. And that is how simple it is to make a coming soon page. Now another thing you need to know is if you are logged in as a user, like for me right now I'm logged in, you see other people can see it's coming soon, but because I'm logged in, when I go back to now the active tabs here, when I view my website, let me just say I type it here, it's still showing, but it's showing up here maintenance mode is on. So for me as the admin, I can still see now my website, only me. But people outside, the users, the other people outside that are not logged in, when they check my website, they can see the coming soon page. And that's how simple it is to create a coming soon page. So let me know how that goes. Try to create yours, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Let me know what other topics I should cover. If you have any question, just throw it on the comment section, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.